Welcome to Tech Goods. Looking for the best car dash cameras in 2026? In this video, we break down the top 5 dash cams that deliver crystal clear recording, reliable performance, and smart features to keep you protected on the road. Whether you want budget-friendly options or premium picks, we have you covered. Stay tuned to find your perfect match, and do not forget to check the links in the description below now. Number 5. The Coolcrazy 4K Dashcam Front and Rear N8 is a feature-packed solution designed for drivers who want reliable, high-quality road recording in every condition. With true 4K UHD front recording and a 1080p rear camera, it captures sharp and detailed footage that makes identifying license plates and road signs much easier. The ultra-wide 170-degree front and 150-degree rear coverage ensures that both lanes and surroundings are clearly documented. One of the standout features is its 4K UHD recording, which delivers smooth video at high frame rates for clear playback even during fast driving. Whether you are navigating busy city streets or highways, the clarity remains consistent and dependable. Complementing this is the advanced Starvis Night Vision, powered by a Sony sensor and WDR technology. It significantly improves low-light performance by reducing glare and enhancing darker areas, making night driving footage far more visible and useful. The dashcam also excels in safety and convenience with its 24-hour parking mode, which monitors your vehicle even when parked. Combined with the G sensor, it automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts or collisions, ensuring that critical evidence is never overwritten. The included 128GB memory card supports long recording sessions with loop recording for continuous use. Additionally, built-in GPS tracking records speed and location data, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers to your smartphone. Easy installation and durable construction make it a practical choice for everyday drivers seeking dependable protection and modern connectivity. Number 4. The 70mm 4K Dashcam T800E is a powerful and versatile solution for drivers who want complete in-car coverage and modern smart features. Designed with a 3-channel system, it records in 4K at the front, along with 1080p interior and rear cameras, ensuring that every angle inside and outside your vehicle is clearly captured. This makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers, families, and long-distance travelers. A key highlight is its 3-channel recording, which delivers full protection with wide coverage and sharp resolution. The large aperture and advanced imaging ensure that important details like faces, license plates, and road signs remain visible in different lighting conditions. The system works seamlessly for both day and night driving. Another major advantage is the night vision performance, supported by HDR and 3D noise reduction. The interior camera includes infrared capability, allowing clear recording even in complete darkness. This feature is particularly valuable for monitoring passengers or capturing events inside the vehicle during nighttime trips. The dashcam also stands out with its smart connectivity features, including built-in GPS, Wi-Fi 6, and voice control. GPS logs speed and route data for accurate tracking, while Wi-Fi 6 enables fast file transfers to your smartphone. Voice commands allow hands-free operation, improving safety while driving. With loop recording, a G sensor for emergency locking, and 24-hour parking monitoring, the 70mm T800E provides reliable security. Easy installation and a durable supercapacitor design make it a dependable long-term investment for everyday driving needs. Number 3. The FAIMEE F9 3-channel dashcam is a well-rounded choice for drivers who want complete coverage, strong video quality, and dependable safety features. With a triple camera setup, it records in 4K at the front and 2K for both interior and rear views, delivering detailed footage from every angle. This makes it highly suitable for daily commuting, rideshare driving, and long-distance travel where full visibility is essential. A standout feature is its triple-channel recording, which combines ultra-high-definition front capture with clear interior and rear footage. The wide 170-degree front and 150-degree rear viewing angles reduce blind spots and help ensure that important moments are never missed. This level of coverage is especially valuable for accident documentation and insurance claims. The camera also performs impressively in low light, thanks to its night vision clarity. Equipped with an f1.8 aperture and advanced WDR technology, it balances light and shadow effectively, capturing readable license plates and road details even during nighttime or challenging lighting conditions. This enhances confidence for drivers who frequently travel after dark. Another key strength is its 24-hour protection system, which includes loop recording, a G sensor for automatic collision detection, and parking monitoring. These features work together to keep your vehicle protected at all times, even when it is parked. The included 128GB memory card allows immediate use without additional purchases. With built-in GPS tracking and dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, users can easily access recordings, monitor routes, and share footage through a mobile app. The FAIMEE F9 delivers a reliable and feature-rich driving companion. Number 2. The ROVE R2-4K Dual Dashcam is a premium choice for drivers who want dependable front and rear recording with advanced technology and user-friendly features. Designed for a wide range of vehicles, it captures 4K footage at the front and Full HD at the rear, delivering clear and detailed recordings for everyday driving and unexpected incidents. The wide viewing angles help cover more of the road, reducing blind spots and improving overall awareness. One of the most impressive highlights is its 4K dual recording, which ensures that both the front and rear perspectives are captured with excellent clarity. This is especially useful for documenting traffic situations, accidents, or road events with reliable detail. The included 128GB memory card allows immediate use, and support for larger storage ensures long recording sessions without concern. The dashcam also excels in low light conditions, thanks to its Starvis 2 night vision technology. Powered by a Sony sensor and enhanced with wide aperture lenses, it produces brighter and sharper footage during nighttime driving or in dim environments. This makes it easier to identify important details such as license plates and road signs, even in challenging lighting. Another key advantage is its ultra-fast Wi-Fi connectivity, which enables quick video downloads directly to your smartphone through the dedicated app. Built-in GPS tracking adds valuable data such as speed and route information, providing extra support for insurance claims. With features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and a reliable 24-hour parking mode, the ROVE R2 4K Dual offers strong protection and convenience, making it a smart investment for modern drivers. Number 1. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam is a high-performance solution designed for drivers who demand full coverage and advanced recording technology. With a triple-channel setup, it captures 4K footage at the front, along with 1080p interior and rear recordings, ensuring that every angle of your vehicle is monitored. This makes it an excellent choice for families, rideshare drivers, and long-distance travelers who need reliable documentation. One of the standout features is its triple-channel coverage, delivering wide-angle views from the front, cabin, and rear. This comprehensive perspective helps eliminate blind spots and provides complete visual evidence in case of accidents or disputes. The ability to switch recording modes also allows users to prioritize resolution when needed. The camera truly shines with its Starvis 2 night vision, powered by the advanced IMX675 sensor. Combined with HDR and WDR technologies, it enhances brightness and reduces noise, producing clear and detailed footage even in low-light environments. Whether driving through dim streets or highways at night, the image quality remains sharp and reliable. Another key advantage is its smart connectivity system, featuring dual-band Wi-Fi and built-in GPS. The fast wireless connection allows quick access to recordings through the mobile app, while GPS data tracks speed, routes, and location for added evidence and convenience. With loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and multiple parking monitoring modes, the REDTIGER F17 provides strong protection around the clock. Its durable supercapacitor design ensures consistent performance in extreme temperatures, making it a dependable and long-lasting investment for modern drivers.